our two-piece range start from 150 rupees only. So yes, you can order two-piece variety. What kind of variety was that? So I will show you. This is the two-piece variety at 150. So not only this, we have 200 plus variety range. Not only this, we have two pieces, three pieces, short top, coat set, aligned set, many more variety.
Hello friends, today we have come to DK Textile. Let's see what variety are getting order in such big bulk. Come, let's meet the owner Sugandh bhai and understand which variety are selling more in this summer season. Hello Sugandh bhai, please tell in my customer which variety are these.
So this is the Anarkali three-piece variety. These are the top trending variety right now. You can see there are parcel to parcel orders are pending of this variety. These all are order variety. So you have to pre-book this kind of variety. What variety is this? So these are Anarkali three-piece variety. I will show you. You can see the quantity is so much huge and these are already pre-booked variety. So you have to order these kind of varieties wholesale. I am showing you what variety is this. So this is the Anarkali three-piece variety. First I will show you the variety. So as you already know that summer are arrived and everyone want cotton. So this is in the cotton fabric. You can see from the finishing color and the fabric that these are the original cotton Anarkali gown, and in regular market you will get cut size gown, but DK Textile will give you original ghera gown. And this is not only the gown, you can see this is the party wear fancy gown with this kind of bottom, and the bottom were also in the pure cotton fabric. You can see the size of the bottom in every bundle. You can see these all are bundle to bundle format, and this is the dupatta. These are the Anarkali pant, and this is the original 2.5 meter length original print cotton dupatta. You can see from the sizes that how beautiful it look when the customers wear it. You also want to sell this much varieties in quantity or bulk, then contact DK Textile. We have this kind of bulk to bulk orders are available of cotton varieties. Not only this, our two-piece range start from 150 rupees only. So yes, you can order two-piece variety. What kind of variety was that? So I will show you. This is the two-piece variety at 150. So not only this, we have 200 plus variety range, and our starting range is only 90
Sir,
rupees.
sir, please tell me this much quantity only available in manufacturer or trader?
Yes, this is definitely the single reason that we are dealing in that much quantities. We are manufacturing this kind of variety. In every bundle you can see there are 15 to 20 bundle of the same color. Yes, when you own manufacture the variety, then you have to purchase and purchase the cloth in bulk and manufacture in that much bulk. You can see the single varieties have 15 to 20 color. The single reason is that we manufacture this kind of variety. You want customization, you want your own label, you will order minimum 40 pieces in that, and you will get the customization option. And our minimum order is 10,000. You can see this is DK Textile, this is our banner, and this all our go down area. We have lots of variety. If you want to see, you can go to our channel and see the many more varieties. Not only this, we have two pieces, three pieces, short top, coat set, aligned set, many more variety that will be impossible to cover in the single video. So you also want to join, then our salesman number is given on the description. Our address is written here also in the description also. You can come here, visit, and you can also book this kind of parcel to parcel order. You can see there are lots of parcel here,
Sir,
and every parcel are from
sir, if
India.
any customer want a COD, then is this available?
Yeah, definitely. In today's time, everybody wants COD. If you order like 150 or 200 rupees thing, in that thing you will order COD, then this is 10,000 or 15,000 material. You definitely get COD with minimum 20% prepayment. So you can also order from COD, and video call facilities are also available.
Sir, please do some detail in courier and transport also.
Yeah, so both varieties are available. As you can see, these are the courier tracking. So yes, courier facilities are available. We are making challan of this kind of transport. You will see that this kind of beautiful packing will
Sir,
be done.
what
in
is
transport.
the minimum order?
Minimum order is 10,000, 40 pieces, and as per requirement you can change your minimum order, but our minimum order is 10,000 rupees, in which you can cover many more variety. Not only this single variety, you can purchase 10, 50, whatever the range cover, you can purchase in that range.
Sir, what is the address of DK Textile? Please tell.
You can see in our bag their address is mentioned. In the description also the address is mentioned, and when you connect with our salesman, they will send you catalog, card, GST detail, all the thing. So connect with DK Textile and make benefit on different varieties, because we have regular updating variety, many more thing on our channel. So connect with our channel and get update on this kind of many more varieties.
Okay friend, then meet up in next video.